How to get hardcore mode in Minecraft Bedrock. So first, just open up your Minecraft launcher. So I have mine right here and just wait for it to load. Now, once you're here, just simply go to Bedrock Edition and here on the versions, just simply click on it and click on latest preview and just simply install it if you haven't installed it already. So basically, the hardcore mode can only be played on the latest preview in Minecraft Bedrock, so you will need to install this first. So here I'm just gonna select this one and click on install and just wait for the download to finish. Now once it's downloaded, just simply click on play and wait for it to open. Now once we're here, just simply click on play preview, create new world, and here you will see the option to set the world to hardcore, so you can't respawn if you die. Good luck, you don't need it. So just simply click on this button right here, and now as you can see, the world will be set to hardcore. Now just simply create new world right here, and this will pop up. So you could either click on don't show me again, or if you want this to not pop up, or you just leave it as is. So just click on play in hardcore mode and wait for this to launch. And now as you can see, we are now in our world. That's how you basically get hardcore mode in Minecraft Bedrock.